The blowers in Husqvarna Pro Battery series are designed for professionals like landscapers, contractors, municipalities, and service staff who want a very quiet and easy-to-use blower with high performance. These lightweight, well-balanced blowers feature excellent ergonomics and minimal vibrations, allowing you to work efficiently and comfortably. The backpack battery allows you to work for hours on one single charge. On Husqvarna battery blowers, the required air volume is easily set with the power trigger. With the cruise control, you can set a constant air volume, while the boost button activates maximum force when needed. The powerful motor is maintenance-free and designed for long-lasting professional use, while the integrated high-capacity lithium-ion batteries are developed to provide maximum output until they are completely discharged. Battery-powered equipment is quiet enough for use in noise-sensitive locations, residential areas, and during early hours. It's superb for indoor work since you can use it without polluting the air. Battery-powered equipment brings many advantages for professional users: minimal noise and vibrations, and no direct emissions. This makes work a lot more pleasant for you and allows you to work efficiently without disturbing the surroundings. Husqvarna Pro Battery Series, charged for professionals.